I have made Laravel Blueprint Studio. So actually Laravel Blueprint I have made the easily Cloud Studio, everything, model, migration, controller, view, root, and everything made. Also the automatically create the CRUD system, so you can create, edit, update, delete, user, admin, guest folder, visual scripting the for Laravel. Automatically show you the CRUD system. So in the normal backend, so normal CRUD system you do not need. So you can check how I have added this system. So first you have to install, check composition, Laravel Blueprint Studio, just require this. This is the composer update or composer require this, then vendor publish, then migrate it. After migrated, our application will work fine. So now you have to go open the URL, like just fire this URL Blueprint Studio, then show you the visual everything and provide you everything, details, model, migration. Then you can see everything, like our generate flow is model, app model, so migration auto created, form request auto created, controller auto created, view auto created, root auto created, and history, all of the history is automatically stored in your database to show you the next. Check the storage middleware, if need middleware, so you need to put this Blueprint Studio to in the environment when you the production, so automatically need to put disable it false. When you click false, in the future in the live production it will not show you. So any issue you can contact me as a Laravel Blueprint complete. So solution is very easily as a modern Laravel.